Hey everyone. So today I have a mystery unboxing for all of you. And when I say mystery unboxing, what it means is that I have no clue on what is inside of this packet. And you may be asking, like, how can that be? The reason is that some of this stuff that I ordered, was ordered around 5 6 months back, right? And I've not returned home for a long time due to COVID, so I just returned for now, and that's when I saw all these packets, not just this one. So I have no clue on what this contains. I know it's comics for sure because that's the only thing which I keep on ordering and that keep on coming. So with that, let's go into this mystery unboxing. Yeah, so I managed to tear open one side of this so that I can pull out the comics rather than creating a very bad unboxing of sorts. So what I'm going to do is quickly pull out the first book. It looks a very thick one, and I can already see the words Batman coming out of it, which means it's a Batman comic, and I'm really excited to see which this one is. Yeah, it's a huge comic. It's Batman Contagion. Wow. Wow, I ordered this a long time back. Wow, it looks simply brilliant. And it looks so thick. I never imagined it to be so thick when I ordered it for sure. Right? And yeah, I think this was right before Cataclysm. And so, if I'm not wrong, the order was Contagion, then Cataclysm, and then it led to Road to No Man's Land, then No Man's Land. I think that's the sequence, but I didn't know that it has so much. It's so big an issue. What does it collect? Does it read here? It looks like the entire. Okay, for the first time I work at the complete that along with the chapters led to the mastermind. Okay, Batman Legacy. It's a $35 book, guys. Like, yeah, so I would have paid a lot of money for this. And Plagues in the Streets of Gotham City. So I remember the storyline. It's something which is very relevant for our times because this deals with a deadly virus which is spreading through Gotham. And after this, it leads to Cataclysm, where the Gotham is hit by an earthquake. And yeah, the reason why it's so thick, it doesn't just connect Batman, it collects Nightwing, it collects Azrael, it connects Batgirl, Robin, it collects all issues across. So this one was a big event, right? And it went across all these characters, and that's why it's so thick a book, right? There's Nightwing there. So yeah, wow, simply stoked to see me having this in my collection. I don't think it's much bigger than a normal trade paperback. Doesn't look like that, but very thick, right? And even the No Man's Land issues, which I have this one. I have this issue, and in fact I had number 6 issue as well as single issues. So yeah, all of this is collected in this one. Very excited to read through this, and it's going to take some time to read through it and then share with you what I think about the book. So that's the number 1 book that has come out of it, and let's see what's the other one. Okay, so I can read the name now. It's Mythology. So Mythology is done by Alex Ross, right? The name is coming out. Wow, guys, I'm truly excited because I never thought when I ordered this book that it's going to be this massive a copy, right? When you order it, you don't realize it, but it is a massive copy, right? And it almost looked like an absolute edition. I don't know if it is an absolute edition. I don't own any absolute edition because I found it too pricey. But this is one of the biggest book I think I own right now. And wow, look at Wonder Woman there. Look at the eyes. Wow, this is an amazing book that I have. It's almost looks, oh damn. Okay, so there's no tear, but there is some bent marks on that. I need to see how bad it is and see. Wow, guys, I mean, to just talk about this book, I think it's going to take a long time. It's a $50 US book, and it captures, wow, everything Alex Ross has done. It looks like everything related to DC. Wow. Yeah, I have this book as well. I like the World of Superheroes, which he has done. I think it has a lot of, yeah, this wow. I have this trade paperback with this as its cover art. I even have seen this somewhere. I think Batman Black and White, and wow, this is a brilliant cover. And this is from War and Peace. I can go on and on and on about this book, guys. I'm simply stoked. I'm so excited to see that I got this copy. I have no idea how I am going to do a review of this book to you guys. The reason being, it's so massive, right? I could go on for hours and hours talking about the book, but I'm so excited. I really want to thank my younger me for ordering this book, and I don't think when I ordered it I had a clue that it was this big, a massive edition. It almost looks like an absolute edition. It's going to be a pinnacle of my collection, and I just don't know if where it will fit. That's now my biggest worry, right? And it shows how Alex Ross goes about his creations, because he uses live photographs for his paintings, which makes him a master at what he does, right? I don't think there's any artist at par with Alex Ross right now. The artwork that he churns out is simply brilliant. Yeah, again there is a splash page right there. So massive book. You could see how thick it is, and as well as it's a collector's delight. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. I'm lost for words, guys. I'm so happy that I own this as part of my collection, and I got it during, I think there was some sale going on, because I don't think the original would have costed me above 3-4K easily, right? I don't see it coming cheaper than that. And yeah, to own this itself make me so proud. So in case any of you guys are planning to buy this one, right away from my first looks of it, this is a must buy and is a huge edition, right? So make space in your shelves, make enough space in your shelves to give a prominent position for this. So that is Batman mythology for you. I just need to make this proper, but I got two fantastic books as part of this order: Batman Contagion and Mythology. Yeah, we have more unboxing to go, mystery unboxings. So let's wait and watch what's up next. Keep subscribing and do let me know what you guys think about these two comics. Bye bye.